All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Dodge Charger. It is the RT model, is beautiful black with black interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, got backup camera, alloy wheels, heated seats, super nice. Only 29,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimal damage on the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Does seem to have some scratches way down here. It's a few. I'll say with all the scratches, about 6 inches. Like, you know, they're coming down as you can see it. All right. The rest of it looks pretty good. Your fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing right here, about 2 to 3 inches. All right. Tire thread. Under 730 seconds, above 4. This door looks okay. This rear door looks okay. And this quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. Tire thread is over 730 seconds. I just saw some curbing. 3, 6, about 7 inches right there. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got power windows, power doors, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. As you can see, there are no lights on, any issues, and your mileage is 29,679. Get your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You get your backup camera. Boom. HD camera there. And then I believe you got your heated seats. Yep, right there. Heated seats, heated dimming, or rear view mirror dimming. Very nice. All right, Mr. Cone. Keep it moving. Put up the trunk. Of course, here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around. Rear bumper does have backup sensors. Super nice. Sounds badass. Here's your rear trunk. Pretty big and spacious. That is your front license plate bracket. Of course, you do have a spare tire here with some tools, and I tucked away your owner's manuals right back there. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger side rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is just under 730 seconds. Let me double check it. Actually, just over 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here is the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing, really a little chippy there on the fender. I mean on the rim. Tire under 730 seconds. Super nice. Give me a second, folks. All right, folks. Fog light wasn't working. I had to connect it. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2018 Dodge Charger. Wait a minute. I don't think I have the lights on either. Nope. They were on. Okay. No, we're not on. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a beautiful 2018 Dodge Charger RT model with only 29,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.